Welcome to the ultimate guide to organizing and cleaning your home. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a spacious house, maintaining a clean and organized space can really transform your daily life. A tidy home is not just about aesthetics. It provides a sense of calm, reduces stress, and honestly, it enhances your overall well-being. Imagine walking into your home, greeted by order and cleanliness, a space where you can truly relax and recharge. A clean home also supports a healthy lifestyle. Dust and clutter can harbor allergens, which may affect your health over time. By organizing your living space, you create an environment that promotes healthy living, free from unnecessary distractions. Moreover, a well-organized home saves you time. When everything has its place, you won't waste precious minutes searching for misplaced keys or important documents. The process of cleaning and organizing can be therapeutic. As you declutter, you let go of items that no longer serve you, making space for what truly matters. This act of letting go can even be symbolic, helping you release mental clutter and focus on the present. Lastly, a tidy home can be a source of pride and joy, fostering a positive atmosphere for you and your loved ones. Let's embark on this journey together. Before diving into the cleaning process, preparation is key. Start by gathering all necessary cleaning supplies. Stock up on basics like all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, disinfectant wipes, sponges, microfiber cloths, a mop, a broom, and a vacuum cleaner. Having the right tools at hand will streamline the cleaning process and ensure you're ready to tackle any mess. Next, make a comprehensive list of tasks. Divide these tasks by room and consider the specific needs of each space. Writing down your plan helps you stay organized and focused. Prioritize areas that need the most attention, such as the kitchen or bathroom. Remember, it's okay to break the process into smaller tasks if it feels overwhelming. A clear plan will keep you motivated and on track. Create a realistic timeline for your cleaning project. Decide whether you prefer to tackle everything in a single day or spread tasks over a week. Allocate time for each room according to its size and condition. This approach prevents burnout and ensures you make steady progress. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but improvement and maintenance. Lastly, set a motivating atmosphere. Play your favorite music or podcast to make the cleaning process enjoyable. Enlist the help of family members or roommates to share the workload. Together, you can make cleaning a fun and rewarding experience. With preparation complete, you are ready to start transforming your home. Now that you're prepared, it's time to tackle each room one by one. Begin with the living room, as it is often the focal point of the home. Start by removing all items from surfaces like coffee tables, shelves, and TV stands. Sort through these items, deciding which to keep, relocate, or discard. Clean all surfaces with a microfiber cloth and all-purpose cleaner, then replace only the items that truly belong. Next, move to the kitchen. Clear out countertops, drawers, and cabinets. Discard expired food and reorganize pantry items. Wipe down all surfaces, including appliances, to remove grease and grime. Restore order to your kitchen by placing frequently used items within easy reach. This makes cooking and cleaning more efficient and enjoyable. In the bedrooms, focus on decluttering closets and dresser drawers. Remove clothing you no longer wear and donate items in good condition. Vacuum under the bed and dust all surfaces. A tidy bedroom promotes restful sleep, so ensure it remains a sanctuary free of unnecessary clutter. Replace bedding with fresh linens for an added touch of cleanliness. Finally, address the bathroom. Declutter cabinets and discard expired toiletries and cosmetics. Clean sinks, showers, and toilets with disinfectant cleaners. Organize remaining items in baskets or drawer organizers for easy access. A clean and organized bathroom ensures your morning routine starts smoothly and hygienically. With each room tackled, your home will begin to feel renewed and revitalized. As you declutter, adopt a mindful approach to sorting, donating, and discarding items. Start by categorizing your belongings into 3 groups: keep, donate, and discard. Be honest with yourself about what you truly need and use regularly. This process allows you to focus on the items that add value and joy to your life. When deciding what to donate, consider items in good condition that others might find useful. Clothing, books, and household goods are always in demand at local shelters and charity organizations. Donating not only benefits those in need, but also gives your items a second life, reducing waste and clutter in your home. For items that are beyond repair or use, discard them responsibly. recycle whenever possible, and check with your local waste management for proper disposal methods. Some electronic waste requires special handling, so ensure you're disposing of it correctly to minimize environmental impact. As you sort through your possessions, reflect on why you hold on to certain items. Sentimental value is important, but avoid holding on to things out of guilt or obligation. Keep items that spark joy and serve a purpose in your life. This mindful approach helps you create a home filled only with things you love and cherish. Cleaning the major areas of your home can seem daunting, but with the right techniques, it becomes manageable and even satisfying. Start with surfaces, which accumulate dust and dirt quickly. Use microfiber cloths and an all-purpose cleaner to wipe down tables, countertops, and shelves. This not only cleans but also disinfects, keeping your home hygienic. Floors require regular attention to prevent dust buildup and maintain a fresh appearance. Vacuum all carpeted areas thoroughly, reaching under furniture where dust often hides. For hard floors, sweep first to remove loose dirt, then mop with an appropriate cleaner. This two-step process ensures floors are spotless and sanitary. Windows often get overlooked but make a significant difference when clean. Use a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to remove smudges and fingerprints from windows and mirrors. For a streak-free shine, clean windows on an overcast day to prevent the cleaner from drying too quickly. Clean windows allow more natural light to enter, brightening and invigorating your home. Regular maintenance of these major areas keeps your home looking and feeling fresh. By incorporating these cleaning tasks into your routine, you ensure your home remains an inviting sanctuary for you and your family. With clean surfaces, floors, and windows, your space will exude comfort and tidiness. Organizing storage spaces like closets, drawers, and shelves is essential for maintaining order in your home. Begin with closets, often the most cluttered storage areas. Use storage bins and baskets to categorize items and maximize vertical space. Consider installing additional shelving or hooks to accommodate accessories and shoes. Drawers benefit from organization tools like dividers and trays. These help separate items, making it easier to find what you need quickly. Group similar items together, such as utensils in the kitchen or socks and undergarments in the bedroom. This organization reduces clutter and enhances the functionality of each space. Shelves should be organized in a way that balances aesthetics and practicality. Display decorative items alongside books or storage boxes. Use bookends or file holders to keep books and documents upright. Label boxes and containers to clearly identify their contents, streamlining the search for specific items. Regularly reassess your storage spaces to ensure they remain organized. As you acquire new items, make room by removing or relocating items that no longer serve a purpose. This constant reevaluation helps maintain a tidy home and prevents clutter from accumulating. A well-organized home supports a more efficient and stress-free lifestyle. Maintaining a tidy home requires adopting simple daily habits that prevent clutter from accumulating. Begin each day by making your bed. This small act sets a positive tone and creates an immediate sense of accomplishment. A made bed also makes your bedroom appear more orderly and inviting. Allocate a few minutes each day to tidy up common areas. Clear away any items that don't belong and return them to their designated places. Implement the one-touch rule, which means dealing with items immediately instead of setting them aside for later. This habit reduces the buildup of clutter and keeps surfaces clean. Incorporate a quick evening routine to prepare your home for the next day. Load and run the dishwasher, wipe down kitchen counters, and lay out items needed for the morning. These small tasks create a sense of closure, reducing morning stress and making your home welcoming upon waking. Lastly, involve your family or housemates in maintaining cleanliness. Assign simple tasks to each member, making cleaning a shared responsibility. Regularly communicate and adjust these tasks as needed to ensure everyone contributes. By cultivating these daily habits, you create a sustainable routine that supports a clean and organized home. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a cleaner and more organized home. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate each small victory, whether it's a decluttered drawer or a freshly cleaned window. These achievements, no matter how small, contribute to the overall serenity and functionality of your living space. A clean home is a source of empowerment. It inspires confidence and fosters a positive environment for you and your loved ones. By following this guide, you've equipped yourself with the tools and knowledge to maintain an orderly home. Embrace this process with patience and an open mind, knowing that each effort brings you closer to your ideal living space. Start today and let your home reflect the joy and peace you deserve. With each room you transform, you'll find yourself growing more organized and content in other areas of life as well. Your home is your sanctuary, a place to rejuvenate and find comfort. Let it be a true reflection of the harmony you've created within. Best of luck on your journey, and may your home always be a source of joy and inspiration.